Are you ready to explore an exciting and sustainable business opportunity? Have you ever wondered what it takes to start a PV solar panel manufacturing business in India? Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply curious about the world of renewable energy, this video is your ultimate guide. What are the key steps to get started? And most importantly, how can you make a significant impact on the future of clean energy? Stick around, because we at Market Research Universe are here about to answer all these questions and more. First, PV solar panels harness the power of the sun, a renewable and inexhaustible energy source. Unlike fossil fuels, solar energy doesn't deplete over time, making it a sustainable choice for the future. So, why are they emerging so rapidly now? Advances in technology have significantly lowered the cost of solar panels, making them more accessible to businesses and homeowners alike. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, the PV solar panel market in India is expected to reach over $12.5 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of above 8% from 2024 to 2030. This video is a part of the Startup Business Plan Reports by Market Research Universe. Startup Business Plan Report is a one-of-a-kind syndicated research report created and designed by Market Research Universe, keeping in mind first-generation entrepreneurs, aspiring businessmen, and existing businesses to help them to avoid business failure, selecting the right business plan before they start investing their valuable time and hard-earned money on it. So let's get started. First, let's understand what PV solar panels are. PV stands for photovoltaic. These panels convert sunlight directly into electricity using solar cells, typically made from silicon. They are used in homes, businesses, and industries to provide a clean and renewable source of energy. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, PV solar panels help lower greenhouse gas emissions and contribute to a sustainable future. Before we move on, it's important to know the different types of PV solar panels and their characteristics. There are three main types: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Monocrystalline panels are made from a single crystal structure, making them highly efficient and space efficient. They have a sleek black appearance and are ideal for areas with limited space. Polycrystalline panels are made from multiple crystal structures, which makes them less efficient than monocrystalline panels, but more affordable. They have a blue hue and are a popular choice for residential installations. Thin film panels are made by depositing one or more layers of photovoltaic material onto a substrate. They are less efficient but more flexible and lightweight, making them suitable for large-scale installations and unconventional surfaces. Now let's talk about the market potential. According to Market Research Universe's recent report, the PV solar panel market in India is expected to reach over $12.5 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of above 8% from 2024 to 2030. This growth is driven by government initiatives, declining costs of solar technology, and increasing electricity demand. Before starting any business, conducting thorough market research is crucial. This involves analyzing the demand for solar panels in different sectors, understanding the competitive landscape, and assessing government policies and incentives. A feasibility study will help you evaluate the financial viability, including cost analysis and return on investment. Next, develop a comprehensive business plan. This should include an executive summary, market analysis, operational plan, and financial plan. Your business plan will serve as a roadmap and help you secure funding from investors and financial institutions. Starting a solar panel manufacturing business in India requires several licenses and permits. You'll need a factory license, environmental clearance, and building permits from local authorities. Additionally, register with the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, get GST registration, and comply with the Bureau of Indian Standards. Choosing the right location for your manufacturing facility is critical. Consider proximity to raw material suppliers, availability of infrastructure like power and water, and access to a skilled workforce. Conduct a thorough site analysis to select the optimal location. Setting up the manufacturing facility involves designing the layout, constructing the building, and installing necessary utilities. Ensure compliance with environmental and safety regulations. Invest in state-of-the-art machinery for solar cell production and module assembly. Investing in advanced machinery is crucial for efficient production. You'll need equipment for wafer cutting, doping, cell assembly, stringing, lamination, and framing. Regular maintenance and upgrades will help maintain production efficiency and product quality. Secure reliable suppliers for raw materials like silicon wafers, encapsulants, backsheets, glass, and frames. Establish long-term relationships with suppliers to ensure consistent quality and supply. The production process involves several stages, starting with solar cell manufacturing, followed by module assembly. Each module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets quality standards. Implementing efficient production processes helps optimize output and reduce costs. Quality control is essential for ensuring the reliability and performance of your solar panels. Adhere to international standards like IEC and UL. Regular testing and continuous improvement processes will help maintain high-quality standards. Hiring and training a skilled workforce is key to your business's success. You'll need engineers, technicians, quality control experts, and administrative staff. Providing regular training and creating a positive work environment will help attract and retain skilled personnel. Develop effective marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Highlight the benefits of your solar panels, such as cost savings and environmental impact. Use various sales channels, including direct sales, distributors, and online platforms. Participate in trade shows and digital marketing campaigns to enhance brand visibility. Identify your target audience, including residential, commercial, and industrial segments. Tailor your marketing messages and product offerings to meet their specific needs. Exploring emerging markets in rural areas can open new business opportunities. Analyze key players and competitors in the market. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses will help you identify opportunities and threats. Tata Power Solar Systems Limited, Adani Group and Vikram Solar Limited are some of the key players in the Indian PV solar panel market. Stay updated with market developments and participate in industry forums to stay competitive. Starting a solar panel manufacturing business involves several challenges, such as high initial investment and regulatory changes. Secure funding through loans and investors, stay updated with the latest technology, and adapt to regulatory changes. Leverage market drivers like government incentives and rising demand for renewable energy. Effective financial management is crucial for profitability. Implement cost control measures, diversify revenue streams, and regularly update financial projections. Establish robust accounting and financial reporting systems to ensure transparency and compliance. Additionally, with the Startup Business Plan report, We provide supplementary services including startup mentorship and consultation for clients, and digital marketing services for brand promotion are offered by us to support the business through every stage of development, from initial planning to securing funding and ongoing mentorship, including startup mentorship and consultation for continued growth and success, digital marketing services for brand promotion, company registration, incorporation services, business presentation, investor pitch deck, creating services, pitch deck review, demo day preparation, curating the pitch script, grooming the founder, building the final pitch deck for presentation on demo day, and application assistance for bank loans and government grants. Let's embark on the journey to establish a thriving business together. T&C applied. Visit www.marketresearchuniverse.com to know more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more business insights. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business journey.